2006 Chevrolet Avalanche. Fall in love with its many extra features, which include the following: multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, tinted windows, power driver seat, power outlet, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, aluminum wheels, leather-wrapped steering wheel, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel. We'll help you find exactly what you're looking for.